My. I wonder who's at the door. Let's check it out. No, for real though. Oh, that's Kiki. Yes. Lord have mercy. Let me let her in. Hey, Kiki.
Hi.
Hey, how you doing? Welcome.
I'm good. How are you?
Welcome. Look at this beauty. Oh, what are we doing?
We're doing a room tour.
We're doing a room tour.
I believe we're doing a room tour.
Okay, well, welcome on in.
NCL Aqua interior family cabin.
Yes, we are.
All
Come
right.
on in.
I'm in.
And we are in room 16141. It's weird. That door doesn't. Okay, I made my trip. All right, so here we are. So we're going to start here with the closet area.
Okay.
The first initial closet. This is good for hanging probably what you're going to wear.
I'm just showing the safety instructions.
Okay, safety
make sure
instructions.
People know how to be safe.
Right. This closet, I would definitely say you can use it when you're going to your day of wears. So whatever you want to put on that particular day. So if you're dressing up, dressing down, no dress at all, whatever you want to do it, that's what's going to be with this closet right here. So they give you 4 hangers, but of course you can bring your own hangers. Mm-hmm. And so then we'll mosey on down, just a scant right here. Shout out to my granddaddy. This gives you a little bit more closet space here. It's kind of made like another cruise ship that we were on last year, I think. So what you can do is you can take this shelf out, I do believe, or you lift it up. Yep, lift it up. Mm-hmm. And what do you have?
More space.
More space.
Oh, careful there though.
Bring it on down. So just make sure that you put it up. Don't assume it's gonna stay. You got to move this thing. That's kind of a little tight. So you got to bring. Well, you can't bring a screwdriver. But anyways, so we are.
Yes, we do not advise you to bring a screwdriver.
Right. So, but that gives you more space there, so you can hang longer coats, suits, Kiki's 17 dresses, however you want to do it. Storage space for your shoes here. Some more rack space. Make sure your door is open all the way.
I like the basket.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, soft clothes too. Come on out. Watch that. Slow it on down. Then we move on over to the other side. Other side, left hand side, right hand side now. And this is some more closet space, and you don't have to lift the shelves up with this one. You can just get it going, get it popping, hang up your stuff in there. They've already provided you with one laundry bag. Our technique, as we always tell people, when you get your laundry bag and you got laundry, roll it up tight and right, get as much as in there as you can, because they're going to charge you regardless. Will they? They will.
Indeed, they will.
They have your safe here. I'm not gonna give you all the codes, so you'll know where we stay and stuff. But they gave you some more baskets here, storage baskets, another shelf, nice size shelf. Now, what would you put here? Maybe I don't know, wallet or something. I don't know.
Interesting. What would you put on this? It's about the size of
a wallet.
4 fingers. It's about as wide as 4.5 fingers right here. I don't know what you would put there.
Never mind my comments. Here we go. So we have some built-in hooks.
Ah, yes. So you don't need to bring your own hooks from home because you have hooks hanging right here.
They have built-in hooks now. These don't come off, so you can't take these home. So don't try it. Built-in hooks here.
That's the main one right there that would try to take them home.
Don't tell the people that at all.
That's him.
We're going to attempt to go into the bathroom.
Okay. Wait a minute. Before we go into the bathroom, we missed a step here because there's something on this side too.
Oh yeah, I forgot all about that.
Yeah.
So in order to be able to turn your lights on, this is made like another ship. I'm not going to call it out. It's made like another ship. Put your card in. You got lights. Take your card out. Still got lights.
You got lights until the time runs out.
Until the time runs out.
What's this?
Keep that in there. I think this is going to be the thermostat. Possibly.
Or the thing to tell them.
Oh, no.
There's a few things. So we have the do not disturb here.
Oh, that's how you turn it on.
I'm sorry. You're supposed to be giving the tour.
It's okay.
Go ahead.
So there's the do not disturb. There's the makeup room. And then you can go cooler or warmer or quick cool, however you want to do it. And so what we'll do is we'll show how those work when we go back outside. This is your switch to turn the lights on and turn them off. There we are. Need them on because we got
if we were to turn the lights off, pull the card out.
Same thing.
The light came back on.
You only got a few seconds though.
You got a few ticks, probably till that green run out.
Yep. So here we are. And we're going to attempt to make our way into the bathroom here. Here we go. Oh, this is a nice size bathroom.
It is a very wonderfully sized
This is a nice sized bathroom. You know what? Go ahead and take a look at that first. Then I'll come in with the description.
Let me pan first because I want to show you that there's lots of room We've got the toilet over there, of course. We've got your sink. Underneath the sink, we've got some toilet paper and some storage space here, and we've got a little trash can. We've got a couple shelves over here on the side as well if you have something you want to put on your bathroom shelf. This is a drawer, nothing in it, but we do have a drawer. And of course, we have some shelves here as well. They have glasses on them. We don't use those glasses, you already know. But we got plenty of towels, more storage space.
Or you can put your toothbrushes in those glasses.
Yes, a lit,
a well-lit
mirror.
bathroom.
Very well lit mirror. You do have hand soap that is liquid, so not bar soap. You got liquid hand soap, which is nice. Pretty nice size sink as well. And this shower.
That's
a pretty big shower. It's a pretty big shower, and it has a glass door, which we love.
It's a big shower.
Yeah, somebody got to go in and show the people how big that shower is. And what is that?
It looked like it could fit 2 people.
Oh, there's a clothesline. There's a shower head. You do have some body wash and some conditioning shampoo.
Yep, definitely.
If you need that. And of course, a couple shelves and a footrest down here.
Absolutely.
But I want
and
you
there's a light in there also.
It sure is. But I want you to come in so we can show people just how much space is in this bathroom.
Okay, so let me take my shoes off.
Okay.
Hold on, y'all.
All right, so let's look at,
back.
yes, this is how much space is actually in this bathroom, you guys. See, Ray's able to stand in there comfortably, got both his arms up, stretched wide, and doing whatever dance move that is that he's doing. Okay. All right, do we want to show the shower?
You want to join me?
Not this moment.
Oh, don't tease me with a good time. Anyways, we're in the shower. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the shower, and boom.
Plenty of room in the shower.
Plenty of room. Let's see. Yeah, plenty of room.
Okay, let's go. All right, so step to the next part of the room.
Yes.
Oh, there's a hairdryer down there. There's a hairdryer and a cute little ottoman.
Is that blue jean?
No, like leather.
We
This
did
is
bring
cloth. This is leather.
we did bring another bag.
All right.
So here we are, back in the area here. So this is our now actual living space. We got shelving units here that you can put shelf stuff on. Again, we don't really use the glasses. Now, I would suggest if you want to use the glasses, bring some soap and wash the glasses out yourself. That way you can use the glasses, or you can ask your room steward for fresh glasses, which you can do as well. So you have shelving units here with glasses, telephone, in-room guide. They give you the information, the daily information.
Freestyle Daily.
Freestyle daily information there. And then that doesn't come with your room. This is mine actually. You got a little mini shelf there, so if you want to put like your jewelry, necklace, bracelets, barrettes, whatever you're wearing, you can put them right there. Plug here, so we got a regular plug, a USB-C. I just tried it. It's not a powerful USB-C, but it's a USB-C here, a USB, and then a shout out to Regina. She said she called it differently, an international plug, and not just European plug.
Ah, okay.
So that's an international plug.
And there's a 110 outlet on here.
We have another plug here. This switch here handles the light for the mirror that we are looking in right now. And then, of course, that's the cable for the phone. Now, don't try it. You might be able to plug that into your computer to get some internet. Don't try it, though.
Do not try this at home.
They'll find out.
So if you go this way, you have the TV. Show us this area, right?
So the TV is available to us, and we can watch a couple of channels. I've gone through a little bit. Of course, they have your normal channels. They have your channel. You can see the front of the ship, the ship information, the guy that wants you to buy everything on every island.
Is it a smart TV?
I think so. I'm not real sure.
Okay.
So
we cannot confirm nor deny.
Yeah, we can't let you know about that. But this is a nice size TV. And you have a nice setup here where you can put all kind of stuff. So you know that for us as vloggers, we would be able to set up here. We would be able to set up here. Pause for the calls. So again, this is a very nice size desk area. If you are a content creator, you would love this space right here. Only thing I don't like about it is that they only have the international plug right there. So if you are a content creator or a person who brings a lot of electronics with you, you're gonna need to get a adapter in order to be able to use this this desk area for charging things. Maybe just want to use this desk area just to put stuff down, like purse, wallet, whatever it is. You can use that as well. So this is a nice size desk area. You don't usually see a lot of ships with desk areas like this. So,
and it's not really a desk area because there's nowhere for you to sit at it and work, but it is like just a tabletop where you can store stuff.
Yeah. So here we have the refrigerator,
Cooler.
the cooler that's available in the room. And is that the wrong way? Yep. Pull it this way. And it's stocked with free gifts.
Stocked, and we're gonna unstock her because we're not paying for none of that.
So that ain't free. But it comes stocked, but you can call your room steward and ask them to remove these items.
Yes, we will be doing that.
This is the price to hydrate yourself with purpose.
Yes.
The Aqua Pana water is big ball of water right there, Pellegrino, and Pure. I never heard of Pure water. I wonder where that's from. But they let you know right there, it ain't free. But you can have them remove that stuff, and that way you can store your own things in there, keep things cool. And then they have some nice sized drawers here. These are really deep drawers.
They are.
You can fit a bunch of stuff in these drawers. So you got some storage drawers here. There's one at the top, one at the bottom. These are soft close, so you don't have to worry about forcing them. So you just hit it, and then it'll just close on its own. Boom.
Look, you got these shelves on the side,
we got 3 shelving units here, so you can fit stuff there. Does this come off? That doesn't come off, so that's just a return event, I do believe. Now, we're making it to the bed area. The bed comes with 2 lamps. Boom. Each lamp has a USB-C. Yes, a USB-C and a USB. Not sure how well those work, but we'll find out tonight. One on each side. On that side, it looks like there's a plug, and then you can change the light setting to how you want it to be.
Mood lighting.
Turn off the lights.
All right. And there is an outlet there too.
Yep, and there's a nice table. So the same table on both sides.
Nightstand.
With shelving units. And then you look underneath that table, there's one more plug underneath there.
Oh, is it?
But you have to unplug the lamp.
Well, then it's not a usable plug.
Well, it's usable if you don't need that lamp.
I guess so.
Yeah. So,
and that's
has a nice size bed.
We have it set up as a king size bed right now.
These are 2 beds. This seems like a decent sized bed, so we're looking forward to that. And then
we also have Pullman beds up top. Yep. So this is a family interior stateroom. It fits 4 people. So you can have this set up as the way that we have it set up as a king bed, or you can make it 2 separate twin size beds. But then you also have these drop down twin size beds that come from up top. So we'll have that tonight. He said, our room steward said he'll come back tonight to pull down one of the beds for RJ.
So he's going to pull down one of the beds for RJ. Uh-oh. Did you hear that?
There's sound coming from
There's a sound coming from underneath the bed. I don't hear it from that side. Oh, wait, there's a hand. Did they leave somebody on the ship?
I don't know.
Oh my God.
Where's my family at?
Inside family cabin.
Inside family cabin. Uh-oh, wait, somebody's talking.
Where's my family at?
Oh, Lord, it's RJ. When did he sneak on here?
The kid's not included.
The kid is not included.
The kid is not included. This is for educational purposes only.
Several days later.
So it is the last night of the cruise, and before we end this room tour video, I just want to come back and tell you guys a few things about the room that we didn't get to tell you on day 1 because we hadn't lived in the room yet. But let me tell you, this room, we are right below the pool deck. And the pool deck is loud, and we can hear the pool deck music in this room all the time. It is not just a nighttime thing. It is not just a daytime thing. When there is music playing on that pool deck, we can hear it in this room. So if noise is a big deal for you, I would definitely avoid a room on this deck. This is deck 16?
16.
Yes, and again, we're right below the pool deck. So, also, I want to show you guys what the bed looks like with RJ's bed pulled down. So let me show you that. So there's the bed. So of course, if we were using 2 of them, you'd see one on each side. We only need the one. So that's what it looks like. So it does take up quite a bit of space. And then it just we're moving out, y'all. So just ignore all the stuff on the bed. And then there's the ladder. It comes down there. So just wanted to show you guys that.
So this concludes our tour for our inside cabin, which is a family interior cabin here on the brand new Norwegian Aqua. We are in room 16141. Check it out. And if you want to book this cruise line or any cruise line, feel free to contact Team Reese Travels at booking@teamreesetravels.com, and we will get you booked and get you rolling, get you sailing wherever you want to go, however you want to go. You, your boo, or your whole crew. It don't even matter. See y'all later. Thank y'all very much.
And until the next time, Team Reese all day.